So I guess with MarTech Stack, when we talk about like reporting out, onto channels, maybe we'll start with you, Dom, on this one. But what are some of the key marketing performance metrics that marketers should really kind of pay close attention to see how their channel is performing?
Yeah, I think it depends where you're at in the funnel. Cost per MQL is always something that's going to be important, especially when you're comparing two vendors within the same channel or same program type of program. That it shouldn't be the only thing you're looking at. Like the lowest CPM QL is not always going to be the best. I think an example of that, if you have 10 MQLs that come in for $100 per MQL and it only converts at 10%, but you have another program that's generating MQLs at $500 a piece and they're converting at 50%, like they both cost about $1,000 to turn into an opportunity, but the more expensive one only requires effort on 2 MQLs versus 10 for the previous. So like, even though they look the same, they don't operate the same. So I think that's why it's also important to make sure, and I mentioned before, is focusing on the bottom of funnel performance to see what's actually turning into pipeline and revenue. I think leads and MQLs are great for optimizing and understanding the directional performance of your programs, but you need to be looking towards the bottom, especially as we are making these more difficult decisions with how the market's looking.
Great. Ashley, anything you want to add there?
Yeah, I think Dom's point of measurements of bottom of funnel and top of funnel cost per MQL, those are absolutely essential. But in order to understand like that comparison between programs, for example, you really have to stay on top of your channel KPIs and not let performance slip, because it might be at the start of the year you have a great, for example, webinar program perhaps, and you continue to invest in it like usual, but you don't keep a close eye on what's working for registrations and topics that are really engaging people. And so staying on top of metrics by channel is definitely important. And we all know those can vary greatly from channel to channel.